Hello everyone, welcome to part 127 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So once again we are going to work on the PayPal payment gateway for our Laravel e-commerce website. So in this part we are going to do the success as well as the failed transaction. Okay, so if the payment is successful from PayPal, then we are going to update the status in the admin panel and will send the confirmation to the user as well. Okay, and if the payment is failed, then we mark the order status as failed, like the payment failed or the order failed. Okay, so we are going to do these things in this video, and this is really important. For the payment response, we need to fetch the payment response, that what is the actual payment response, and according to that response we are going to update both in admin as well as the front. Okay, so we are working on the sandbox testing. I hope that you have already created the sandbox PayPal account, and if you have not created, then once again I will tell you that you are required to create the sandbox PayPal account in developer.paypal.com website. Okay, you are required to open the developer.paypal.com. This is the website where you can create the account and can create the sandbox account from the login. If you are already having the account, you can log in, otherwise you can click on get started and can make the account. So I am already having, so I can log into my accounts, tech developers 2. I have few accounts. I am going to log in with one of my account. Okay, so after login you can create the app credentials like I have shown you in the last part. I will show you once again, like we have created that. You can go in app and credentials, and then you will get the credentials, and those credentials you are going to set in your env. Here you can see the PayPal client id, PayPal client secret, as well as the PayPal currency. Okay, these you able to see here in app and credentials, and here you can see that we have created the default app we have created, and we have got the credentials from here. Okay, and also you will get the accounts here. Okay, you will get you can create the sandbox accounts here, both for making the transaction. Okay, here you can see that from here you can able to create both personal as well as the business account. Okay, the business account, you are going to make payment with your personal account, and business account will like the business account will have that payment, like business account will receive that payment, and from the personal account you are going to make that payment. So both the accounts are the test accounts. Okay, so I'm going to try to make the payment, and see there are few changes that we're going to do in payment controller, in PayPal controller in fact. Okay, and please follow the instructions that you can find under video. And the first thing is that we are going to create this success blade file. Okay, in resources, views, front, PayPal, and here you can see there is only a single file so far, so we are going to create one more file here. We are going to create the new file, and we'll save that file with the name success.blade.php, and we are going to add here this code like this. Okay, and after this we are going to create this success function as well. Okay, so this success function, I hope that you already downloaded this PayPal controller, and you will get this function where we are first check that the whether the payment has been made or not, and if the payment has been made, then the user will come to this function where we are going to add the transaction in the payments table, or in the payments collection. And after that we are going to update, we're going to send the email, order email as well. Okay, so these things we are going to do in the success function. Here you can see that we are sending the payment email, and also we are going to update the order collection as well with the status payment captured. Okay, So all these things we will do in this success function. Okay, and one more file we are going to create now, and that will be called as the fail.blade.php file, and that also will be located in the same folder, in the paper folder. So I'm going to first save this file, will fail.blade.php, and here we are going to add the content here, this. Okay, and fail function is here. Okay, fail function is we can see the fail function is not here, but we can add this fail function as well. It is similar to the error function. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now we will start uh, testing, and we are going to log in with any of the account. Okay, product is already there. We will click on proceed to checkout, and we will select the PayPal here. Click on I agree to terms and condition. Click on place order. See here the PayPal page has come, and pay with PayPal. We have integrated that PayPal, so the PayPal payment page must come where the options of making the payment will come. Okay, so here you can see the two options are here to make the payment. I'm going to click with pay with credit or debit card. Okay, you will see the amount there as well, that how much amount you are going to pay. Here you can see the $16.88 you are going to pay. Okay, so here we must get the test credit card for PayPal. I'm going to search, maybe we will get few of the cards here. Okay, we will check with this one. Let's see, 28, any CVV. First name I'm going to make Gupta, any dummy address. I'm adding my own state and city. Okay, so no, I don't want the account here, and will continue. So number, they want the number as well. I'm going to give some dummy number. Okay, so I think 135, maybe 135. No, I don't think. I can try with some other. Okay, so it is accepting 4. Okay, no issue. Okay, so now we can click on continue, and it is asking we can't verify your address, use the address you enter. No issue. We can able to add this card, check all the details are correct, and try again, or with a different card. We can try with some other card here. Okay, we will try to log in. Okay, we will try to log in with one of the account that I have created earlier, and uh, so I'm going to check it. View edit account. Okay, so I will just try to log in with one of these account, and uh, because it is not accepting the credit card, so I'm going to change its password, as I don't remember the password here. So I can generate the strong password, generate some strong password, because it will not accept the simple password. Okay, so we can generate from here. So this is, I'm going to copy from here without numbers. I'm going to copy this one and we'll add the password here. Okay, I'm going to save these changes and we'll try to make payment with this one. We'll log into the account. Let's see. Yes, we can able to log in with this account, this PayPal account. Okay, so PayPal will give us some credits. Okay, you can see that it is asking that you want to pay with the PayPal balance. Yes, we want to pay with the PayPal balance. Okay, continue to review order. Okay, so you can see the error has come. It is going to the success function, but the error has come. So that is the benefit of sandbox testing. It will show us the errors if there is any error, and id does not exist. Okay, so we need to take it here underscore id instead of id, so it will be everywhere we need to do this thing. Okay, so I am going to make it underscore id instead of id. Okay, everywhere I'm going to do this change. So I'm going to do the command shift R in Mac and control shift R in Windows. We'll refresh this one and we'll see still the error is coming, and I'm going to check where the error is coming, and success function. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply will take the data here to check, because I think here uh, the here must be id. Okay, so I'm going to check the data here, debug the data. Yes, id must in this position there must be id, because it is coming from the PayPal. And I'm going to check. Okay, here and anywhere else. Yes, only this thing. So I'm going to remove this one dd. We'll try now once again. Command shift R in Mac, as I'm using Mac. Okay, so now see, products attribute is not included at the top, so we need to include the products attribute as well. So we will once again will do that, command shift R. And this time the payment has been made. You can see the payment has been made, but the page is not that much good, because we are required to make some changes with the page. I'm going to open the thanks blade file here. Okay, and I am going to copy the content of this one and will add the content here, and after that I will simply update here. Okay, update in this one. Here I'm going to add your payment has been confirmed. This thing I'm going to add here at the here I'm going to add. Okay, and these I'm going to add here as well. Okay, Now it seems to be fine. Sorry. Fine. And this one I can remove. So I'm going to refresh this page to see the better page. Okay, so we need to make the transactions once again. Okay, we will do once again all the transactions, all this transaction once again. I'm going to add the product in card, and we'll repeat the process to check that whether no error must come now this time. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to select the product, we'll add the product in cart, we're going to check out okay with this one, and we'll select the PayPal and agree to terms and conditions, click on place order and pay with PayPal. Going to login with that account. If yeah, it automatically gets login because I have already logged in earlier. Okay, so that's why. So now we will continue to review order. So the it has been done, your payment has been confirmed, and thanks for the payment. We will process your order very soon. Okay, your order number is this one and total amount paid is this one. So we are going to log into the our admin. Okay, and we'll check whether the payment capture status has come up there as well. Let's see. In orders, yes, the payment capture status has come up here as well, so it's working fine. Okay, the payment capture status has come up, and you can also see the status in account, in user account, so that the user can check the status. Here you can see the payment method is prepaid, and once the user will go inside, then he can also see the payment capture status, though the payment capture status is coming outside as well. Here you can see the payment capture design, you can update at your end. Okay, and here also we can show the status somewhere. If the status is not coming here, then we are going to show the status as well. Okay, so we are going to show the status is also required to show here. Order status history, that is fine, but play ship delivered, that is also fine, and total summary, this one. Then we can show the status here somewhere. Okay, and also here we are showing like order status is payment captured. Here also we can show. I'm going to open this page, order status, view sources, view email order status. I'm going to open from here resources, front, orders, order details. Okay, and I'm going to show order status history. Here we can status history, shipping packet, total summary, paid by prepaid, paid by prepaid. Okay, okay, fine, paid by prepaid. And here we are going to make it paid by payment gateway, and also we're going to add order status here, order status. Okay, paid by PayPal. Okay, and order status is payment captured. So now it is done. Okay, now the status will come up if the payment is successful. Okay, and if the payment is failed, then we are going to show the fail status. Okay, then yeah, we will make the status as fail, and also we will redirect the user to the fail page that your payment has been failed. Okay, so that case also we are going to check now. Like I'm going to select one of the product, we'll add this product and we'll proceed to checkout. And now I'm going to click on delivery, PayPal, direct pay transfer. Okay, I'm going to select the PayPal and click on place order, and here we click on pay with PayPal. Okay, so now not going to make the payment. I will click on cancel. Okay, or yeah, I'm going to click on cancel and return to test store. Okay, now we are going to check the failed status. So the failed status page must be corrected. Okay, so I'm going to open this page as well, and now we are going to correct its design as well, same like the thanks. Okay, I'm going to copy this one, and here I'm going to add this one here, and here I'm going to add your order has been failed. Here I'm going to add it here like this, and the inner part, this wording I'm going to update now like this. Fine, and now I'm going to remove this one. Now the page will look better. Let's see. Yes, this time the page looks better. Your order has been failed. Please try again after some time. Contact us if there is any inquiry. Continue shopping so that the user will reach the home page. Okay, we will give here the home page link. Okay, and no redirection. This target blank is not required. Okay, so this is the payment success and fail status, and this is necessary because otherwise you will not able to know that the payment has been made or not. Okay, so let's continue with other things. So please subscribe the channel for more updates. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.